Tasya padaravindaam kinjalkamishra tulasim makarandavayum antargatasva vivarena chakaratesham sanshobhamaksharajusham apichittatanvo. That's beautiful. Sanshobhamaksharajusham apichittatanvo. The chitta, the consciousness is ecstasy. Ecstasy that comes when we live in the reality, the absolute reality, that there is only one Priti Vastu. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. That's the only reality. Everything is in relevance to that beautiful reality. Cheto Darpanamarchanam Bhavamahadavagni Nirvapanam Shreya Kairava Chandrika Vitaranam Vidyavadhu Jeevanam Anandambudivardhanam Pratipadam Purnamrita Swadanam Sarvatmasnapanam Param Vijayatim Sri Krishna Sankirtanam. Yat yat acharati sreshta tat tat eva taro janaha. All the acharyas, they lived in Sri Sikshashtaka. Their divine footsteps are all about Sri Sikshashtaka. That is descending mercy. That's yat yat acharati sreshta tat tat eva taro janaha. We are their jana, jana of the acharyas. Their bhajan is this, fully imbued with Sri Sikshashtaka. नाम्नामकारि बहुदां निज सर्वशक्तिस्तत्र नियमितस्मरणेन कालम्. एतदृशी तव कृप भगवन् मम दैवमिदृशमिह जनिनानुरागम्. This is the heart of the Acharya. Trinadapi sunichena tarorevasahishnuna manina manadena kirtaniya sadam harim. How much of my bhakti is in the mood of these footsteps of these acharyas, this humility, this dependence on the nama. How much of my bhakti is heading that way? न धनं न जनं न सुन्दरीं कवितां वा जगदीशकामये मम जन्मनि जन्मनीश्वरे भवतात् भक्ति अहैतुकी त्वयि. How much of detachment is there from this illusory, miserable, and stinky material proceedings? Stinky. And the attachment becomes stinky when it is self-centered. That's when it is called material attachment. The things are divine. The people are divine because they belong to the divine. They get stinky only when it is self-centered. So, how much is my attachment to the divine? So everything else appears divine. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Ayinanda tanuja kinkaram patitam mam vishamim bhavam budam. Kripayam tava pada pankajastita dhuli sadrisham vichintaya. Nanda tanuja Krishna very kindly places as saffron dust particles at your lotus feet. for your loving service. Nayanam galadashrudharaya vadanam gadgadaruddhaya giram pulakair ichitair vapukada tava nama grihane bhavishyati yogahitam nimishena chakshusha pravarshyahitam shunyahitam jagat sarvam govinda virahena. What am I yearning for in my life? Govinda virahena. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Aslishyava padaratam vinastumam adarshanam marmahatam karotu yada tadha vidadhatam lampatu matprananathastu sayevana paraha. Only you and no one else. Only you and no one else. Matprananathastu sayevana paraha. There is no other para anyway. Whoever hears or recites the Sri Sikshashtakam given by Sriman Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, their love and devotion for Krishna will increase day by day. Tara Madhya Sarvasreshta Nama Sankirtana Niraparadha Nama Lele Vaye Premadhanam Athayeva Nama Matra Vaishnavera Dharma Name Prasputita Hoile Rupa Guna Karma. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare. प्रेम से कहो श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौरवृंद की जय। श्री हरिनाम प्रभु की जय। श्री शिक्षाष्टकम की जय। आचार्य